Hello everyone! Today, I will teach you on how to zoom in and zoom out in CapCut. Let's dive in. Today, I'm excited to introduce to you a game-changing feature by CapCut, the keyframe function. Animation and videos elevate the content quality, and with CapCut's new keyframe function, creating this animation is a breeze. So, let's dive in. Imagine you've got this clip, and you want to add a dynamic zoom-in effect. Once you select the clip, look out for this icon, which is the keyframe. Click on it. Now, using the adjuster, you can resize the frame, either to zoom in or out. As you move along the timeline, you can set different keyframes to determine the zoom level. Say, I want it to zoom in here. Set the frame, and voila! You have a seamless zoom animation. And what if you want a zoom in followed by a zoom out effect? Easy peasy. You just add an extra keyframe and decide the degree of zoom. So, here's a quick preview of what we just did. See? Smooth and professional. Now, all that's left is for you to get hands-on, play around, be creative, and make the most out of keyframe function. I'm sure you'll love it as much as I do. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye bye.